Wait. Just a minute. Listen to my words at first. Let me know that do you want to speak English or not? Or do you want to become English speaker? Do you want to become a fluent English speaker or not? If if your answer is yes, then watch this video till the end. If your answer is no, if you don't want to become an English speaker, if you don't want to learn English, then I would not say anything. You can scroll my video, okay? Because, because, because today I'm going to give you one of the most important formula of becoming fluent English speaker. You know what? What can be that? That is that formula is, please focus towards on the board. That formula is L S R W. I mean L S R W. Okay, this is the formula. What is this? What formula it? I think you may be thinking, what is this? But please wait. This formula is, you can see L. L means, L stands for listening. L stands for listening. Why? Why should we learn? Why should we listen? Because at first, tell me, how did you learn your native language? How can you speak fluently in your native language? Because because you are used to in your native language. Okay, because you have heard, you have listened everything in your native language in multiple times. That is why you are fluent in your native language. It may be Hindi, it may be English, it may be yes, it may be English, it may be Nepali, it may be anything. And so first you need to practice of listening. And second, S stands for speaking. What to speak, and how to speak. Speaking is what you listen, what you listened, that thing you should try to speak in English. Okay, so first try to listen English words from movie. You can listen English, you can move from movie, and you can listen song, English song. You can watch a web series, okay, podcast. Just try to listen from anywhere. And second is speaking. What you listen, try to speak that thing in English. Okay, speaking. So speaking is second most important part of learning any language. And third is reading. Reading. Why should we do practice of reading? If you are thinking that, I would say because we need to read a book. We can read anything to learn more vocabulary, to encourage our confidence, to encourage to develop our mind. That's why we need to read. Like at first, if you can't understand English book, no problem. Try to read simple books, child book, short stories, and try to read everything in English. It will help you really. And last not the least is writing. Writing. What is writing? Writing means at first you listened, second you spoke that thing, and third you read other book, and at the least at the end you should do practice of writing because it helps your English. S LSRW. Okay, LSRW. It is your formula of learning any language, not only English. By using this formula, we can learn different languages. But as far as I know, at the right time, we don't need to learn other language because English is international language. So we're learning this language. We are trying to learn this language. You know what? So, and at the end, I would say, please don't be afraid to speak English. If you can speak even only single word, speak. Speak. Try to speak in front of people. Try to speak in front of your friend. Okay, because speaking fluency in English comes from speaking. If you don't speak, you can't speak. You can't be fluent English speaker until you practice of speaking. Why I'm saying this thing? Why am I saying this thing? Because because I know very well that you know grammatical rule because you have learned grammatical rule since your childhood, but even you can't speak English. You can't have a conversation with other people. Why? Because a lack of practice, lack of listening. You are not used to English language. That is why you are unable to speak English. So from today onwards, you have to do these all things to become a fluent English speaker. And at the end, um, very thank you so much all my viewers for watching this video till the end. And at the end, I would say this is Minraj, and uh, I'm here to help you, and because I want to make all the Nepali students speak. Okay, do you understand me? So if you are watching this video in Facebook, please like, comment, and follow my Facebook page. And if you are watching this video in YouTube channel, please like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel English with Minraj. And keep learning, have patience. It can take time, but obviously you can speak after some time. And okay, bye bye. Have a good day. Zenpal.